From Columbus, Ohio, this is the Get Business Credit YouTube channel with your host, Josh Van Horn. Subscribe now and hit the bell notification right now to stay up to date as soon as we release new business credit gems. Take it over, Josh.
Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm just going to be breaking down some basic Net 30 vendor accounts that you should have if you're trying to build up your business credit. So this video is not going to be too long. I'm just going to tell you which ones I know that actually do report and that will help you build up a solid foundation for your business credit. So the first one's going to be Grogy. They actually report to Experian and Equifax. Understand that not all these Net 30 vendors report to the bureaus, so there could be others out there that you know of, but if I'm not mentioning them, the chances are they probably don't report, or they're only reporting to a bureau. That doesn't really make a big difference depending on what your overall goals are. The ones that I'm mentioning here, those are the ones that you're going to have good luck with to build a solid foundation. It doesn't matter if you're an established business or a brand new business. These are the ones that you want to get. Now, before I go any further, if you have an iPostal or a Google Voice number, you might want to contact me. Text me 937-423-9954, because it doesn't matter how many trade lines you have, you're not going to get real credit, FinTech cards and regular corporate cards if you're using like an iPostal address. So there's Grogy. Grogy is a project management system. They also offer business plans. They have a ChatGPT AI platform in the back end that you can use as well. So it's a wide variety of things. So it is a Net 30 account. It does build business credit. They do report, I believe it's on the 14th of every month. You might want to sign up now to Grogy, and there's no money up front due. So they, like I said, they report to Experian and Equifax. Then I would get Coast to Coast Office Supply. They report to Experian. Again, you want trade lines that report to Experian and Equifax more than anything. Dun & Bradstreet's not really that big of a deal. Coast to Coast, another great one. And then the CEO Creative, all right? They offer websites, so if you need a website designed, redesigned, or if you don't have one, I can tell you right now, you're not going to get funding and get approved with pretty much any fintech without a website. So you need a website. They have them as low as like $20 per month, $30 per month. And if you're doing an e-commerce site, it's $99 per month. Definitely worthwhile checking out and signing up for sure. The links will be in the description below, and we actually have discount codes for a lot of these. Definitely want to take advantage of this. They report to Creditsafe and Equifax. So as you can see, between these three alone, you're going to have 3 on Equifax, 2 on Experian, and I think 2 on Credit. So definitely get that one. And then these are things you should already have. eCredible. Just do the eCredible Business Lift. No need to get the Lift Plus. It's $19.95, but I think GBC 25 gets you 25% off, so it's like $15 a month. And then you want to obviously sign up for Fair Figure. Fair Figure is like $35 a month, but again, GBC 50 I think gets you 25 or 50% off. It reports to Creditsafe, Equifax, and Dun & Bradstreet. So them reporting to actually all the bureaus, even though it doesn't show Experian here, they do report to Experian. So that you should have as well. And then of course, the NAV Prime. So between these alone, you're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 reporting to Experian, and 4 or 5 reporting to Equifax, and 3 reporting to Creditsafe. That's going to build you a solid foundation. So the links will be in the description below. I can tell you right now, you definitely want to take advantage of that, set up that. No matter what you're trying to do, if you're trying to get like all these different business cards like I have, or whatever the goals are. You're trying to get a lease of vehicles, no PG fleet of vehicles, or you're trying to get working capital. You need to have different mix accounts. These are good mix accounts. You don't need to get any other starter vendors. These are about the only ones that you really need. The rest just comes down to building solid foundation outside of that. You want to get listed with the Better Business Bureau, yellowpages.com, and get yourself listed with the National Business Telecom Directory, all this. And if anybody's interested, I have the one-on-one business credit mentorship. Just text me 937-423-9954. That is my personal cell phone, and we can do a free consultation to see if you'd be a good fit for my mentorship or not. But anyways, that is all for this video. I don't want to ramble. Till next time, you guys take care. Check out the links in the description below. Bye-bye.